God has gifted mankind in several ways to improve their living standards and to fulfill their own needs. One such gift was encounter of primitive men with iron from meteorite ore in 13th century BC. This was when iron and charcoal came together and steel was born. This gift of God soon led to the Industrial Revolution, and by the dawn of 20th century, steel making was major industry and science was increasingly unlocking the mysteries of steel. Steel has changed our world like no other substance. New high-performance steel allows an airplane pilot to reach new heights, a surgeon to perform a delicate operation. It is the solid rocket booster casing that allows shuttle astronauts to explore new frontiers, and the roller coaster ridden by a child. Today, there are two major commercial processes for making steel, namely basic oxygen steel making, which has liquid pig iron from the blast furnace and scrap steel as the main feed materials, and electric arc furnace steel making, which uses scrap steel or direct reduced iron as the main feed materials. The production of steel is one of the most energy intensive of all industrial activities and also responsible for a good portion of the world's greenhouse gas emissions. But now, a new process developed by researchers at MIT which takes a different approach using a process known as molten oxide electrolysis and the clever use of an iron chromium alloy may greatly reduce the greenhouse gas emissions associated with steel production. Nippon Steel Corporation made a plan to step up the capacity for recycling waste plastics into coke by 30%. They have a plan to process waste food into ethanol. Nippon Steel and Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Limited jointly created a high tensile strength steel which allows the ships to be just as strong without the thick steel that it was requiring for them to grow in size. Several other industries have a major part to play in this greener approach. Steel is the backbone of our modern lives, defining the spaces where we live, work, play, and dream. Steel exhibits desirable physical properties that make it one of the most versatile structural materials in use. Its great strength, uniformity, lightweight, ease of use, and many other desirable properties makes it material of choice for numerous structures such as steel bridges, high-rise buildings, towers, and other structures. Steel is 100% recyclable with no downgrading in quality, which makes steel the most recycled material in the world.